Not easy.
Exact shape. Exact shape.
For this small profile.
Because only 1 millimeter.
1 millimeter, very small.
Very, very small.
Very small.
Maybe 4 millimeter easy.
Yes. Yes. I show finish.
Yeah. Yeah. The point here is he's using a metal file to file the shape into the edge of the middle nail that he's banged to get the shape that we require, which is this shape here. He's pulling out a really fine needle file. I haven't seen anything that small before. That's another. Very, very small.
Very small. Yes. Opa!
If you get a few seconds of footage here, it'll be good, Ivan, because you can zoom in and out of it. Get a real good close up. In focus. Okay. And you can see some fine grooves just on the top there. That's what he's just done with the very fine needle files. And if I rotate it over. See, that's the flat side that's facing up now, and you might be able to see that. So, Dr. Mishka, 1 millimeter.
Huh?
1 millimeter.
It's not 1 millimeter. It's a first stage. It's a first stage.
First stage.
No finish. It's
Not finished. Ah,
First.
okay. Got it, Ivan? Not finished. There we go.
First test.
First test.
Okay. Yes.
Oh.
Now to test.
Сейчас.
Dr. Mishka, can we put here, light?
Oh.
Can we move here? Mm-hmm. Probably want to be getting it from the front actually. This angle's better if I close up there.
It's a test.
Just a test.
It's a test. Так.
Looks like he's got some pencil marks up here. And you can see the profile there that he's just removed with the blade that he's made.
Very important. That's absolutely
Identical.
Identical. Да, вот. And his size identical. Да. Absolutely. Вот. да? It's our blade. Вот.
Yep.
Да? Вот. Our profile, да? Our detail,
Wood,
да? Wood. Вот this distance and this distance are very strong, да? Identical, да? Вот.
Pressure. Down and here. Push.
Yes.
Push.
Yes.
Force.
Yes.
They must be the same identical in all parts.
This instrument, да? Oh.
Yeah, I understand. I think he's saying you've got to apply pressure across the length of the
One.
wood.
Oh, да?
One.
Вот. No.
Нет.
Нет. Да. Вот. One.
Понимаю.
And
And two. Okay.
Ah.
Понимаю. So you basically, as you're feeding in this piece of wood through this machine,
Yeah.
it's very important that it doesn't slip in, because then you're going to get a big chunk of wood out. He's saying that you have to apply pressure this way and also downwards as the wood is going through. He says that's absolutely crucially important.
And plus identical in size.
Да.
Well, they will be if you feed them through the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Да, no, it's not good. Да?
Okay.
Oh.
You can see the surface of this thing. It's got some little... I'll put it here by the light. This pear... Can you see it? You can see the pear has an uneven surface along it. That has to be removed before we trim the edge of this piece, because that's going to cause problems. And you can see the pear wood after it's come out of the thicknesser is perfectly smooth. It has none of those ridges that it had previously, and that's important when we run the wood through this machine to give the edge.
Oh.
Sucharik?
Very, very small. No, sucharik. Oh.
And you're just rubbing the cork side very lightly. This sucharik, fine sucharik.
Oh.
Okay, it can still slide.
Yes. Good. One planks and 2 planks. Good.
And you can see it's just got a piece of wood underneath that. Just at the tip of my finger. Just to apply some more downwards pressure to that plank as it goes through. Sorry.
Good. Oh. No.
You're saying there isn't going to be any movement? It's going to go through nice and tight.
Our position, yes?
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, a sec.
See the position of the blade there.
Stage 2, stage 3, stage... yes, da?
More and more.
Not one.
Not one.
Da.
So he's saying that he cuts the shape. I'll just redraw it a bit bigger for the camera. He cuts it in stages, and then he finally reaches a right stage. He doesn't do it all in one shot. Bunny mail.
Yes,
Bunny mail. This.
Oh, it's a...
He's adjusting this with each thing time he puts the wood through and pushing this forward a bit. That'll get more and more wood through the blade, and he's now bolting this on. More? Нет.
А? Нет, нет. Вот так. It's for blank. Да? Our blank. Вот. Our. Deck.
Deck,
Да?
yeah.
Deck. Planks. Deck, да? Там 1, 2, 3 и так далее. Вот. Вот our, да? Detail. Good. Oh. What? Not да.
Нет.
Нет. It's more better. One.
Okay.
Cut here. Cut.
Yes.
Yes.
Cut on. So what he's just said is this is our piece of wood. He's going to cut a section out of there along its length so that this plank here can actually sit underneath it, and this part sits on top of the previous plank rather than butting up against it like this here. In other words, this plank will come inwards and will remove that section of wood.
Oh. 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 That's good.
Misleading. Be the camera. Be direct with me. You can see the shape on the plank there that he's put on so far. But as I said, we will be removing a bit more wood from the underside edge now. You've got one about the same size.
Even smaller.
He's now put the drill piece in. He's reassembling this machine. Got our plank of wood. He's going to test it.
What?
He's just measuring the depth of the drill piece.
Yes.
And if you look at the bottom side of that, I'll just lift it up a bit. You'll see we've just cut a groove on the bottom, and he's only done that about 1 centimetre to test it. Now we're going to run the rest of the plank, and I'm talking about the groove just above my nail there. He's now going to run the rest of the length through there.
How?
Very, very light zakładki.
Oh, sure.
Okay, and you can see we've cut 2 grooves, one on the bottom of the plank and one on the top of the plank. The groove on the bottom is the one that we just did, and that's the groove that the adjacent plank is going to sit in. The groove on top is a nice shape that the rail's going to have above the deck line.
Just spin it around.
That way?
That's it.
That's the groove on the bottom edge that the plank will sit into.
And the other way. That's it.
This plank, yeah? Oh.
Yeah.
In her position.
Nice. And you can see the shape of the rail above the deck line. So done a very nice job with that. Ready? Okay, just explain that the depth of this plank is actually slightly larger than the groove we've just made underneath. And he's going to explain something now.
Our deck, да? Вот, да? Вот. Our deck.
Yep.
Вот. This part, one. This part, two. Part, да? Medium. Medium.
Middle, yeah.
Middle. Stand-away, да?
Waterway?
Waterway,
Yeah, waterway, yeah.
Not waterway. And our deck, да? Oh, for breast deck.
Yeah, yeah, 1 millimeter.
Yes, yes.
For breathing, yeah.
Yes, да? No. Oh. Better, this part made distance for breast deck.
For breathe deck.
Yes? Understand. Oh, it's damper, да? Вот.
For movement in the deck, for breathing.
Without, да? This distance, да? Breath. And
Over time, okay.
Yes.
Panimayo.
Good.
Panimayo.
It's good. It's easy made this part отдельно.
Yeah. But Dr. Mishka, this distance A, this B,
Yes.
B less than A.
B, вот, нет, B,
Yeah.
yes.
But here, нет.
But here нет. It's
Okay.
demonstration.
Demonstration.
Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes.
So it should be equal. The depth should be equal, and he's only done.
In this situation, да, B, it's no problem.
Yeah, one plank.
Planks,
Yeah.
да?
Test planks underneath, and lift the rail up.
Yeah.
So what he's saying is, if the groove in your plank that you've cut here, the one that we've just done on the underside, is too small and less than the height of all the other planks, you just put a few planks on the base under here, put these planks on top of them, and that'll raise that groove a bit. Does that make sense? So that B then does equal A.
I made
Good work, Bond.
later made, да? Да? Easy.
You're right.
Да? Да?
He's got a thin piece of wood.
Да? Yes. Yes, да? And next plank. Glue it.
One possibility.
Да? Вот. 2, 3, 4, да? Вот. Потом, да? And this distance constant. Understand?
Panimayo. Or, Dr. Mishka, or
What a way, да? Вот.
plank,
Да, да.
and then on top.
Вот. Вот. А потом this part. Да? Вот. And plank. Yeah, I show.
Detachable. Lift up.
Yeah.
Нет glue.
Not glue.
No glue.
Not glue. Вот. It's good. Вот. Сейчас я посмотрю. Есть еще они.